How to follow someone in Edit. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can follow someone. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see this play icon. Simply tap on this play icon. So these are the options available. So you can swipe up to get or know new followers. So these are the videos or a sort of reels available. Now in order to follow them, you can see their profile ID here on the bottom. Simply tap on this profile ID, so you'll be directed towards Instagram. So you cannot directly follow it through Edit application, but you'll be able to open Instagram and simply tap on this follow button. So you're done. Now all the reels or the video they post will be in your feed too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.